Hi everyone, welcome to Developer Duke.
Many iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max users have been reporting that their alert sound keeps turning off itself. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1 is turn off and turn on your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Now drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Once you turned off, wait for a few seconds and turn it on back. Solution 2 is turn off Bluetooth. Launch Settings app. Next, tap on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is turned on, turn off it. Solution 3 is turn off attention aware features and phone noise cancellation. To do this, tap on Settings icon from the home screen. Then find and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Face ID and Attention. Now turn off attention aware features, then go back. Find and tap on Audio and Visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Solution 4 is adjust ringer and alert sound. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under ringer and alerts, move the slider to right side to increase the volume. If volume is already high, decrease the volume by moving the slider to left side. Then wait for a few seconds and increase the volume. Solution 5 is force restart your iPhone. First, what you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Solution 6 is clean your speaker and remove case and screen protector. Take a new toothbrush, gently clean the top and bottom microphone. If debris or dust being there, it will come out. Then check the sound. If it doesn't work, remove the case and screen protector. Solution 7 is update your iPhone. First, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi, then go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If software update is available, tap Download and install. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech Page.